Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Brusha from Dandy's World. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off at the top and let's draw the hair. Let's draw a wavy line down and curve it up on the left side. Then at the end, let's draw another wavy line up on top. And then let's add two curves inside. Now next to this piece of hair, we're going to draw a line out to the right. And then let's finish off the hair by curving it down from the top. And that's it for the first piece. Now let's add a larger one on the left. Let's start on top and let's draw a curve up and bring it down. Now let's hop back to the top and let's draw another curve down and flick it up at the bottom. And then let's curve it back in underneath. Now inside this piece, let's draw an oval on the right side. And then on the left, we're going to curve it up and bring it down and over like this. Now let's add one more piece of hair on the left. On the top, let's draw a wavy line down and up. And curve it back in. And then inside this piece, we're going to draw two bumps across the middle. And that's it for the hair. Now let's move underneath and let's draw the head. On the right, let's curve it down and then angle it back in. And then from the bottom, let's draw a line across to the left side. Now let's hop underneath on the right, we're going to step in and let's draw an angle down and in, and another one on the left. And then let's close off the bottom of the head with a line across. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's move in and let's draw the face. Let's start at the top in the center and let's draw a curve down and up. And the same on the right side. And then let's add another curve inside in the same way. And now let's color both of these in black. Lastly, for the eyes, let's draw 3 lines down underneath for the eyelashes. And that's it for the eyes. Now underneath for the mouth, let's draw a small angle up. And then bring it down on the right side. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start with 2 curves down. And a curve across underneath. Now inside, let's draw a line down the center and a curve on either side. Now let's hop underneath, we're going to leave a small gap and let's draw a line down on each side and a curve across the bottom. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw another curve down from the sides. And again, close off the bottom. Now let's hop to the sides and draw the arms. Next to the neck, let's bring it down Then let's curve it out slightly and back in. Now underneath for the hands, let's draw a bump on the inside. And then a larger curve to close off each hand. And that's it for the arms. Now let's move underneath and draw the legs. We'll start with 2 lines down in the center. Now top out and let's draw another set of lines, but let's make these ones shorter. Then for the feet, we're going to curve it out and down. And then let's curve it back in underneath. And that's it for Brusha. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!